This is the audience.
Hello, I'm Charlotta Martin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter bombs. These are one of my favorite desserts, mostly because I like peanut butter and chocolate together. And I got this recipe book for one of our wedding presents. And I think they're really cool because sometimes you can make them into cool shapes, like for Halloween. We shared some with our coworkers that were pumpkin shaped. So the first thing you do is add your peanut butter, chocolate, and butter together in a double boiler. Yeah. And mix them together. And then in a different pan, in another double boiler, you add sugar and egg yolks. And you mix those together. You make sure that the egg does not scramble because that's gross. So then, once that's done, 3 to 5 minutes, then you make some whipped cream. Pretty standard. You just whip it until it stiff peaks form, and then you mix all of those together. And then, in a separate pan, you make the chocolate coating. So that was the mousse. Now we're doing the chocolate coating. The chocolate coating is chocolate chips and some syrup and butter. So you mix them all together and you put the coating into your silicone thing with your brush. You put that into the freezer and then you do it again. And then you put your mousse into your silicone mold. And then you put another layer of the chocolate. And then you put that all in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. And then you are done. And these ones aren't pumpkin shaped, but
Nice.
they are the finished product. A little bit frozen still. Yeah, thank you. Enjoy.
Will do. Yeah.